Hello everyone, and happy to see you here. It's Money Secrets. Undoubtedly, Tesla has taken a leading position in industries such as automotive, aerospace, AI, telecommunications, and energy. But is it possible for Elon Musk to disrupt the boating industry? It can be possible, as Tesla has a secret plan to disrupt the boating industry, and we are going to tell you this secret. It is true that Tesla is making our world better. The technologies they provide are saving the world from pollution, and Tesla's battery-powered cars is Elon Musk's ability to respond to the growing demand for technologically driven, environmentally friendly products. Talking about the shipping, it accounts for 13% of sulfur dioxide emissions and 15% of nitrous oxide emissions worldwide. Is it a new opportunity for Musk to use his abilities to get the boat market about to get the same shock Tesla gave to the car market? Today we're going to be talking about Tesla's plan to disrupt the boating industry. Did you know that with current and future advancements in battery technology, there's definitely an opportunity for companies like Tesla to move into the boating industry in the future? Just stay with us to know the most interesting information about Tesla. We guarantee you will be totally amazed. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't miss out on the huge changes coming. Boating industry demand. The first reason why Tesla can implement the secret plan to disrupt the boating industry is cargo vessels. Shipping boats need to carry millions of gallons of fuel just to make their trek across the ocean, which makes a massive pollution. The problem is not only in cargo vessels. Several studies have identified dozens of unintentional and unexpected hazards to the environment associated with boating as well. For Tesla, this is a good opportunity to use the water and environment pollution for boating industry capture. Just imagine, boats can be quiet, require very little maintenance due to their engine's simplicity, and can be charged in a variety of different ways. This is Tesla's secret plan, to create an electric engine that could work well for boats. And what's so great about an electric engine? The efficiency of an internal combustion engine is around 30%, while electrical engines are roughly 90%. This means that fossil fuel burning engines only transfer 30% of fuel's energy into motion. A lot of it is wasted in other forms of energy like heat, while an electrically powered boat can convert 90% of its energy into motion. So, it's obvious, boating industry has a demand of making an electric engine, and Tesla can successfully do it as they already did in automotive industry. Despite the benefits of a fully electrical boat, there are several obstacles needed to be overcome before electric boats will be adopted. The electric boat problems. However, this is not as easy as it seems. The reason why electric boats were never made is because of the physical barrier of weight. This is why previous attempts to create battery power for cargo vessels were not successful at all. They were not really an option in a majority of cases, especially when we're talking about heavy loads and long travel routes. The main problems with batteries for boats are they can be heavy, difficult to recharge, difficult to dispose of, and have a high production costs. For years, these barriers has been preventing electric boats from being released. Recently, however, the battery improvements are showing that electric boats are at the beginning to make a lot more sense. Tesla batteries for boats. For now, there have been many electric boats powered by Tesla's batteries. For example, one American company, Pure Watercraft, is actually using the same battery as old Model S batteries. The 180-pound battery pack uses industry-leading Panasonic lithium-ion cells and has a capacity of 8.85 kilowatts per hour. More energy per pound means a boat can get up on a plane more easily and stay on plane for longer. Active thermal management leads to longer battery life and the ability to travel greater distances at high speed. The boat emits no exhaust or noxious fumes, spills no oil or gas into the water, and is whisper quiet. It starts at a touch of a button and is immediately ready to drive, and charges easily via a standard 120-volt or 240-volt outlet available in most garages and marinas. Between the savings in fuel costs and the elimination of maintenance costs, a typical outing will cost about $1 to $2 in electricity. The Model 3 battery has 260 watts-hour per kilogram, meaning it's 57% greater energy intensity income compared to the Watercraft's. Despite the fact Pure Watercraft's battery has extremely low energy intensity, the boats are pretty amazing aspects. One of the Pure Watercraft's boats has 14.5 miles per hour max speed and it lasts about an hour if you want to float on a max speed. Another boat has a max speed of 25 miles and it can last the whole day. The fact that the watercraft's battery has low energy intensity invites Tesla into boats industry. Elon Musk has stated that the battery has intensity of about 400 watts-hour per kilogram and it's likely going to be mass-produced in the next 3 years. 400 watts-hour per kilogram would be 142% increase on the pure watercraft's intensity. So if Tesla will enter the boating industry, it will make a huge revolution, a major disruption. Tesla Cruise. Currently, Tesla doesn't make vessels for water-based transportation. Given that cruise ships are extreme polluters, does it make sense to reason that they could and really should be replaced with ones that will have an all-electric motors and battery systems? They could also utilize solar roof tiles and small wind turbines. Replacing one medium-sized diesel-powered cruise ship with an all-electric one would be something like removing 1 million internal combustion engine vehicles from operation. Naturally, in order to function properly within a cruise ship, they would be of a much larger scale. But something has to change within the cruise ship industry. At the moment, it does far too much damage and simply cannot be sustained the way it is. Until it changes, we can all inform ourselves rationally and decide not to spend our money on non-essential, highly polluting cruises. Tesla's battery research partner Jeff Dawn has previously discussed the possibility of using Tesla's batteries for cruise ships. In a nutshell, the way a battery works is that electricity flows between two electrodes, an anode and a cathode, through a material called an electrolyte. In a lithium-ion battery, the anode is usually some kind of carbon-based material like graphite. The cathode is a lithium metal, lithium mixed with a concoction of metals like cobalt, nickel, manganese, aluminum, and phosphate. The liquid part, the electrolyte, also contains lithium. Lithium salts dissolved in a liquid or gel. It was said that electric boats make a lot of sense economically. To put that into practical terms, it means that when driving a boat within its regular range, the regular lithium-ion part of the anode is used, but this can be switched to using the lithium metal part of the hybrid anode when extra distance is needed. It's kind of like having an extra gas tank you could flip to if you were driving a fossil fuel boat. As an example, the researchers said that if an electric vehicle with a conventional lithium-ion battery can deliver a range of 400 kilometers, then hybrid cells could enable a range of 480 kilometers. So, according to this information, Tesla is about to enter boating industry even beyond cruises. Amphibious vehicle. Is it possible? It sounds really crazy, but recently Tesla's CEO Elon Musk talked about the Cybertruck's amphibious potential again in a lighthearted Twitter reply to a quirky concept video of an all-electric pickup truck used as a boat. So it's true that the idea of an amphibious vehicle isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. It can be shocking, but the idea is more than real. There are even images existing to prove that the vehicle could already have the right design to resist water breaching. Pictures from the Tesla community show that several sections of the Cybertruck's underbody are watertight, and the vehicle's suspension area is also sealed. It's been several times when Elon Musk was talking that it would be really cool to create a vehicle that drives in both land and water. In 2013, he bought the Lotus Spirit S1 movie prop from the 1977 James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me, an iconic film because it transformed a sports car into a submarine. Musk even stated that he was disappointed that the car didn't really turn into a submarine, and he even said that Tesla should take a shot at developing an amphibious vehicle. The CEO reconsidered the idea during his 2019 annual shareholder meeting, where he said a submarine car was technically possible. While he admitted the market for car-riding cars was small, however, it seemed like Musk is being serious about creating an amphibious car. Let's live and see if it's possible. We're still a couple years away from an electric-powered boat market takeover. However, it's always healthy to plan for the future and stay on top of the market. Thanks for watching. We hope you stay until the end to know the craziest news ever. We hope you're following our channel, Money Secrets. If not, don't forget to subscribe to know more interesting news and facts. Wanna watch more interesting videos? You can find a lot in here. See you in the next video.